In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send cryptocurrency using the Coinbase app. Sending digital assets can feel daunting, but with these simple step-by-step instructions, you'll be transferring your cryptocurrencies with ease in no time. Let's dive right in. First, grab your smartphone and open up the Coinbase app. Make sure you're logged in using your credentials. If you're not logged in, just enter your username and password and you'll be ready to go. Once you're in, it's time to find the Pay or Send tab within the app. You should see this option on the main screen, or sometimes it's located in the menu section at the bottom. Tapping on this will take you to the next step in the process. Now that you've navigated to the right place, you'll need to select the asset you'd like to send. This could be Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other supported cryptocurrency that you have in your Coinbase wallet. Be sure to double check that you've selected the correct cryptocurrency, as choosing the wrong one could lead to unnecessary complications. In some cases, you may need to choose which network you want to use for sending your asset. This is particularly important and requires a bit of attention. Ensure that the network you select matches the recipient's wallet network to avoid funds being lost. If you're uncertain, it's always a good idea to contact the recipient beforehand to confirm this detail. Next, you'll need to enter the recipient's address. This can usually be done by typing in their wallet address, which is a long string of letters and numbers. Alternatively, you might have the option to scan their QR code, or depending on the recipient's settings, you could also enter their email or phone number. Always verify the details to avoid any mix-ups and to make sure your assets reach the right destination. Once the recipient's details are entered, it's time to specify how much you want to send. You can enter the amount either in cryptocurrency units or, if you prefer, in your local currency. Double check the figures here to ensure you're sending the correct amount, as even a small mistake could result in sending either too much or too little. With all the essential details filled in, take a moment for one final review. Check the asset type and network and make sure the address is correctly entered. It's also important to glance over any fees associated with the transfer. Cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible, so taking an extra moment here can save a lot of headaches later. Once you're confident everything looks good, go ahead and tap Send Now. Depending on your security settings, you might be prompted to complete a two-factor authentication step. This might involve entering a code sent to your phone or through an authenticator app. It's a great way to ensure that your transaction stays secure. Finally, all that's left is to wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain. This confirmation process can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion and the specifics of your transaction. Once confirmed, you've successfully sent your cryptocurrency using Coinbase. Thank you for watching and happy trading.